Wow, let's pull this. 1, 2, 3, go.
What's happening? Whoa, this is awesome. Okay, it's your turn.
Wish me luck. It's so cold. What is this?
Ha, that was so funny.
Oh no, what's happening?
I love this lipstick. Are you okay?
My shoe broke.
Hey, check this out.
Uh-huh.
Don't worry, I'll fix it. Was that supposed to happen? Wait, this is chocolate. It's so tasty. I want it all.
What? That looks good. A tasty screwdriver. Oh, my teeth. It hurts so bad.
Ooh, help! Someone help!
Why did this have to happen?
Does someone need my help?
Leave it to me. This won't be a problem.
This is what I'm looking for.
Hold still. My smile. It's beautiful.
Can you fix the shoe?
Uh-huh.
Of course I can.
I'll need my gum.
My wife said I needed to shave. There you go.
Just like new.
This is for you! Delicious!
Huh, what's that smell? I stink.
You're telling me. It's waxing time.
Don't do it!
Ha! Did you see that? My glorious mustache!
Ooh, food. Wow. Pretty flowers. Huh? There's nothing there.
Is this a joke? Where's the food?
Ha! You don't have anything. Uh-huh. There you are. Wow.
These are a token of my love. I've never been so happy.
Oh, no, you don't.
Hey!
Oh, well, see ya.
You had to ruin it, didn't you? I'll show you.
Ouch. So it's like that, huh?
Quit it.
Hang on. Is that chocolate? It is. Wow. Tasty.
She's went crazy. Wait, ooh. I want more. This was a mistake.
You ate flowers. These are so good. Oh, I know. Catch.
Ooh, a secret note? Wait a second. That wasn't funny.
Let's open them.
Yay! No way, a cell phone!
You're so lucky. Huh, what's this? I don't think this is a real phone.
What?
I knew it. It's even better. I enjoyed that. Oh no!
What is going on?
Look at me, I'm a phone!
I'm so confused. But it's fun.
That tickles. I'm getting sleepy. My battery is low.
Oh no, I need to charge her. I hope this works.
What is it? Oh, that feels good. I feel so alive.
Yay! Woohoo! Selfie.
Hey.
Let's see how it looks. Hang on. That's so weird. Did I dream it?
Want to try some?
Sure, I guess so. It's pretty good. Life is pretty sweet. I love being rich. But there's only thing I want. To be even richer. Huh? Where am I?
Come on.
Well, that's disappointing. I was hoping for more. What have you got?
Wow. Check this out. I'll read your fortune. The cards know everything. Very interesting. Eek, a rat! It ate one of my cards. Wait, are they tasty? They are. What is it?
Are you feeling okay?
Go on, try one. You'll love it.
Wow, it's great. I'm so bored. But I have an idea.
That's it?
Ew. Ugh, let's pretend that didn't happen.
How about we open these? Wow, lots and lots of money. I'm rich.
That's all I get?
Ew.
This is so unfair. Hold on. I can eat this? It's yummy. I want more. A tasty golden coin. Up it goes. Wow, it's amazing.
What are you doing? I'll give it a try. This is real money. Help me!
I'll save you.
You did it.
I guess I'm a hero.
I'm gonna be sick.
Whoa, we hit the jackpot. Keep it coming. That's a lot of money. I'm going for a swim. I'm in my happy place. I don't want this to end.
Hey, focus. This is serious.
Oops. Maybe I got a little excited. More money! Woohoo! Gimme, gimme! It's mine, all mine!
Ha! You're going to love this. Yoo-hoo! I'm making it rain.
You're the best. I'm looking good.
Ooh, I wonder what it is. It's makeup. This is so exciting.
My turn.
Wow!
Time for a makeover. That color really suits you.
I feel so glamorous. I love this. I can't forget about the lipstick. I'm going to be beautiful. I'm ready to be a star.
Hey, knock it off. It's my turn. I think this lipstick is broken. What's wrong with it? I'll try this one. This isn't working either.
This is getting weird.
Wait, I've got it. It's chocolate. It's perfect.
What? You're eating lipstick. I suppose I'll give it a go. Yuck, it's gross. I hate it.
No way.
What's your favorite chocolate snack? Let us know in the comments. Remember to like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos.